petition.
No, it is a matter between two components of the alliance, BJP and MGP. Therefore, at onset, we are not concerned with it. As far as MGP is concerned, MGP's move to go to the court is rather surprising because MGP has shown pain for Congress's loss. So therefore, I believe that it could be a preemptive move.
Do you think
By the
insecurity because of Goa Forward Party?
Preemptive move by the MGP for?
Preemptive because they have not lost anything. Congress has lost 2 MLAs who have voluntarily resigned.
So is it a fear of MGP?
Now कित्याक तांकां इतले दुखले but maybe in the larger interest of having a clean polity or setting a good precedent. All these things are very honorable intentions. But by and large, the move is surprising because it was Congress's loss. And it was not MGP's loss. Even the Congress has not gone to the court. So that is a rather surprising move. But as far as the government stability is concerned, what MGP does necessarily does not impact the government. What Sudhin does impacts the government. So the difference is between MGP going to the court and Sudhin being part of it.
Do you feel MGP?
तातून ह्या न्ही सुदीन आहा तातून काय ना खूपदा MG खूप गोष्टी उलयता सो उलय जाता तशें म्हणून